So hello guys, welcome back to another video on computing world. And in today's video, we are gonna be diving into the world of Python programming. If you're a beginner looking to learn Python, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to getting started with Python. So let's jump right in.
Firstly, let's talk about what Python is. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its readability and versatility. It is widely used in various fields such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. One of the reasons Python is so popular among beginners is its simple syntax, which makes it easy to learn and understand.
Now that you know what Python is, let's get it installed on your PC. Open up your web browser and go to python.org. Then go to the Downloads tab and download the latest version of Python for your operating system. It has a version for Linux and Mac as well. Once the installation is complete, you can go through the setup by just opening it up and going through the default settings. Then, to check if Python is correctly installed, just open up your command prompt and type python -" version. You should see the version number being displayed. With Python installed, it's time to write your first program. Open up your favorite text editor or IDE. In this case, we will be using Visual Studio Code. If you want to know how to use Visual Studio Code and set up it, you can check our video, which will be in the description. And then now, just create a new file called hello.py. Then type print hello world in the file. Save the file and then open up your command prompt or terminal if your IDE does not have it. In my case, VS Code already has an inbuilt terminal and I am using the code run extension. Again, you can know about it in our video about VS Code. I am using the code run extension to run the file and save it. As you can see, the hello world is printed. If you want to use it using the command prompt, just open up your command prompt and then the directory where the file is saved and then type python hello.py. You should see the message hello world displayed on your screen. Congratulations, you have just written and executed your first Python program.
So guys, that's it for part 1 of a Python for Beginners series. In this video, we covered the topics: what is Python, installing Python, and creating your first Python program. Now stay tuned for other videos of the series. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Also subscribe to the channel for more updates. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them down in the comment section below or email us at cworldinfo10@gmail.com. See you in the next video.